Oh, look who just flew in. The ultimate lovebirds of the art world. This vibrant parrot couple isn't just chirping sweet nothings. They're flaunting feathers dipped in magic and patterns stitched with joy. Zoom into those swirls and curls. It's like their feathers took a dance class in mandala art and aced it. Every line whispers a love story. Every color sings a tropical tune. She's blushing in pinks and purples. He's strutting in blues and greens. Clearly, he's showing off for her. And that eye contact? Oof! Sparks flying louder than firecrackers on Diwali. These two aren't just birds, they're poetry perched on a branch. So, if their love tickled your heart and made your eyes go whoa, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more colorful love tales hand drawn just for you every day.